Async H7. Looking for an e-bike that seamlessly switches between city commutes and light trail adventures? The Async H7 is your new all-in-one solution. Lightweight yet sturdy, this e-bike is equipped with dampening tech that absorbs road vibrations, delivering a smooth ride even on bumpy paths. Powered by a robust 500-watt mid-drive motor and a 960 watt-hour battery, it boasts impressive power efficiency. With pedal assist, you can stretch its range up to 125 miles. The Async H7 also includes a digital key system, enabling quick starts via an app tap. It's smart, sleek, and designed for urban explorers. Sitback's bleacher seat. Tired of those rigid, freezing bleachers during high school games? The Sitback's bleacher seat transforms your seating experience with a padded seat and back support. Designed for portability, it folds into a compact backpack so you can move easily from stadium to stadium. It includes a swivel component that allows you to adjust your position during the game. At only 15 pounds, it's lightweight and available in multiple colors, including black and gray. Sitbacks brings much-needed comfort to the sports spectators who deserve more than a cold metal bench. Zyac Titanium Knife Ring. Never be caught unprepared with the Zyac Titanium Knife Ring. This ultra-compact EDC item includes a hidden blade that can slice through boxes or sharpen pencils on the fly. Crafted from heat-resistant, corrosion-proof titanium, it even glows in the dark. You can wear it as a ring or hang it as a necklace using its built-in hole. Available in sizes 9 through 13, it's made to fit securely and discreetly while remaining functional and incredibly durable. Ascent Pocket Notebook. Writers and note-takers rejoice. The Ascent Pocket Notebook is made from aerospace-grade aluminum and waterproof stone paper, making it nearly indestructible. The included magnetic pen snaps back into place without fuss, and the whole set is fireproof and freeze-proof. Stick it on any magnetic surface to store it easily. The paper is eco-friendly and refillable, giving you a sustainable option for jotting down ideas anytime, anywhere. M-Chaos Power Bank. Meet your new essential companion, the M-Chaos Power Bank. This everyday carry features a built-in USB-C retractable cable and carabiner, making it ideal for hiking, biking, or commuting. It delivers a powerful 20-watt charge and holds 5,000 milliamps of juice, enough to revive a dead iPhone 15 Pro in just 90 minutes. Lightweight and rugged, it attaches easily to your gear or bag, so your power is always within reach. Boox Tab Ultra. E-reader meets productivity powerhouse in the Boox Tab Ultra. Powered by Android 11, this device allows you to use your favorite apps without distractions thanks to its black and white screen. With a 16-megapixel rear camera, it can scan documents and convert them to editable text. Expandable memory, cloud syncing, and web browsing capabilities make this more than just a reading device, it's your all-in-one portable office. Lifespan Ampera. Get fit and go green with the Lifespan Ampera, a wireless charging exercise bike for your desk. It provides 65 watts of power to your laptop, all generated by your pedaling. Adjustable for ergonomic seating and fitted with wheels for easy mobility, the Ampera also includes a mobile app that tracks calories burned, distance pedaled, and power generated. It turns every hour of work into a fitness opportunity. Vertex Pouch. Organize everything with the Vertex Pouch, a hybrid desk organizer and sling bag. Whether you're carrying camera gear, your laptop, or everyday items, this pouch has you covered. It features a tear pouch design so you can see everything at a glance, and dual-sided access for quick entry. Weatherproof and stylish, it's a practical solution for creators and commuters alike. Cube Sleep System. Say goodbye to restless nights with the Cube Sleep System. This temperature-regulated mattress pad can cool or heat your bed anywhere between 15.5 degrees Celsius to 46 degrees Celsius. With no wires or EMFs, it's safe and easy to use. The dual zone feature lets couples customize each side of the bed. Whether it's a queen or a California king, Cube fits under the mattress and can be controlled via app for personalized comfort. XOI 1. Step into the future of lighting with the XOI 1. This AI-powered dodecahedron infinity mirror lamp syncs to music and creates immersive light shows. You can link up to 100 XOIs together for stadium-level effects or use just one for meditation. Controlled via app, the XOI 1 adapts lighting based on genre, rhythm, and beat, turning every playlist into a visual masterpiece. LERP R1. The LERP R1 is more than just a scooter, it's a mobile solar charging station. This 3-in-1 electric scooter reaches speeds of 25 miles per hour and includes a 100-watt solar panel that recharges the battery. Plus, it features 300 watts of AC power output, letting you charge your laptop or phone while off-grid. With a 45-kilometer range and capability to handle 15-degree slopes, it's your all-terrain urban explorer. Modu Razor. Sleek, durable, and designed for the rugged minimalist, the Modu Razor is a double-edged safety razor built from GR5 titanium. It disassembles easily for compact travel and features a hollow handle for ergonomic grip. Waterproof, corrosion-proof, and equipped with a stand that doubles as a carry case, the Modu Razor ensures a clean shave whether you're in the city or deep in the wilderness. Instax Pal. Capture fun on the fly with the Instax Pal from Fujifilm. This keychain-sized digital camera includes a viewfinder loop, wide-angle lens, and built-in speaker for classic camera sounds. Images sync via Bluetooth and are saved to a micro SD card. The device supports one-handed operation and USB-C charging. Perfect for group selfies and spontaneous moments, and compatible with Instax smart printers for instant prints. Suncoast Heater. Winter is no match for the Suncoast Heater. Using infrared conversion, it heats up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 seconds without creating dust, noise, or light. It's energy efficient and portable with safety features like flame retardancy and aramid coating. Ideal for sleeping, working, or relaxing, this heater offers direct warmth without the dry air of traditional options. Mag Stand Kit. Upgrade your selfie game with the Mag Stand Kit by Craftgeek. Featuring the tallest MagSafe compatible selfie stick at 64.5 inches, it doubles as a desktop tripod and power bank. The kit includes a Bluetooth remote, ring light with 3 color modes, and a shutter that acts as a wireless charger. Modular and portable, it's perfect for content creators and casual users alike. Full Swing Kit Launch Monitor. Train like a pro with the Full Swing Kit Launch Monitor. Used by Tiger Woods, it provides 16 data points using radar and high-res video. Perfect for home simulators or real courses. It measures ball speed, launch angle, distance, and more. The dashboard charts your progress, making it the gold standard for golf training. Ioneo Retro Mini PC AM01S. Blending retro charm with futuristic power, the Ioneo AM01S packs a Ryzen AI 9HX 370 CPU and RDNA 3.5 graphics into a compact shell. The mini PC includes a 4-inch touchscreen for system monitoring and customization. With dual SSD slots, DDR5 RAM, and a supercharged cooling system, it's a powerhouse in a nostalgic package. SodaStream Art. SodaStream Art brings old school flair to modern soda making. With a vintage pump handle and a quick connect CO2 system, it offers customizable carbonation at your fingertips. You can create your favorite Pepsi flavors or invent your own. The art makes the process more enjoyable and eliminates the hassle of traditional twist-to-lock setups. Toolsin. Craft like a pro with Toolsin, an electric chisel that powers through material at 1400 RPM. With 5 interchangeable blades, it delivers precision and speed, 5 times faster than manual chiseling. USB-C charging and portability make it a must-have for woodworkers, hobbyists, and anyone looking to modernize their craft. RayQ 128K. Throwback meets modern utility in the RayQ 128K, a multifunction dock styled after classic Apple computers. It includes a built-in display, 14 ports, and Bluetooth speaker. Customize the display to show images, time, or widgets. With a 7-port expansion hub that resembles a vintage keyboard, it adds personality and functionality to your desk setup. Quanviso monitors. Get a full desktop setup anywhere with Quanviso Extend Pro. This 4-monitor laptop extension supports both portrait and landscape modes, and works with any USB-C laptop. Each 13-inch screen is IPS grade, and the kickstand holds 3 extra monitors around your main screen, ideal for multitaskers and digital nomads. The Commuter. Face winter head-on with the Commuter, a face, neck, and ear protector designed for stylish warmth. Unlike bulky balaclavas, it doesn't mess up your hair and keeps your glasses fog-free. Its minimalist design is both office-appropriate and outdoor-ready. Say goodbye to freezing winds and hello to cozy commuting. If you enjoyed discovering these futuristic and practical gadgets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech roundups every week.